Hi, welcome to Body Shop 101, coming to you today from Auto Clearing Collision Center. Today I want to talk about liability coverage and when your deductible may or may not apply. In a lot of cases, clients will come in and explain to us that someone has backed into their car and wants to pay for the damages out of their pocket. Our first question is do they know that SGI covers the damages? Now, the easiest way to explain this is your neighbor backs out of his driveway and backs into your car. The neighbor just wants to pay for the damages. What the neighbor doesn't necessarily know is that if he makes the claim to SGI, in other words, phones in to 683-2100, takes onus for the accident and says, yes, I'm at fault, I backed into your car, SGI will actually cover the damages and your neighbor doesn't pay anything out of pocket. Your neighbor may get addressed demerit points, whether they be 4 or 6, again depending on the amount of damages to your car, but your neighbor does not pay anything out of pocket. You of course don't pay anything neither. The liability insurance from your neighbor will pay for the repairs to your car. The easiest way to explain this is you do not pay a deductible unless you fix your car. Your liability covers the car you damaged, your deductible covers your car. So in a case like this, your neighbor's a lot relieved because your car is looked after and it doesn't cost them anything out of pocket. That's the easiest way, I think, to explain the liability coverage and hopefully let everybody know that if something happens, and hopefully it doesn't, but when it does, you don't always have to pay out of pocket. SGI liability will look after this, relieves a lot of stress. You're happy, your neighbor's happy, you're still friends, of course, which is the most important. So hopefully that helps out with how liability insurance will cover you and when your deductible may or may not apply. Any questions, of course, you can always give us a call. We'll explain this again over the phone. You can talk to your SGI broker or an adjuster, but it's as simple as that. But you do have to make a claim and your neighbor would have to take onus on doing the damage, in other words, being guilty of it, and your liability looks after the repairs. Thanks again for watching. Take care out there, and we'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.